What up, y'all, and welcome to another Chiney K Daily vlog. Whoop whoop. I am back home in good old New Jersey, America, and I figured I'll take you guys with me today. I'm just gonna be on the road doing some errands and ting. It is cold as balls right now. Yesterday it was raining like crazy. Today it's sunny but windy and cold. So I just left my physical appointment. You know, I feel like a bitch needs to check up if she's alright. You know what I'm saying? Make sure my blood pressure good, diabetes, hypertension, you know, make sure I don't have none of that stuff, which, you know, thankfully I would like to say I'm 100% healthy in my sexual health, mental health, physical health, all around. I am healthy, and that is a blessing. So yeah, so I just left the doctor. It's 12:08 now. I'm gonna do my hair. I have an appointment at 12:30, and I figured I'd take you guys along with me because, honey, this hair is dry AF. And I'm going to go to this Dominican spot. For all you natural hair people out there, you know the Dominicans be getting your curly hair straight AF, just as if you permed it. So I'm about to hit up a Dominican spot that I always go to, but I got Ben's some flowers delivered. It's the cutest thing. You know, just to tell Ben's, if you don't know, is my mom. Just to tell her thank you. I got her flower arrangement. My mom loves flowers. She loves her garden and everything, so I got her a flower arrangement. So I'm gonna WhatsApp call her right now so she could come on video and show me her flower. She just sent me this picture. Here it is. Can you see it? Oh, it's a puppy. We have this ongoing thing that I'm gonna buy her a puppy because, you know, you're getting old and shit, and I feel like old people need dogs, you know what I mean? And she's like, don't bring the dog in here, come give me blah 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 blah. So I'm gonna video call her right now so you guys could see you know, her reaction to the flowers I got. I'm gonna see a video. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Mom. What happened?
Nothing. I got something from my girlfriend.
Let me see it.
It's pretty.
Is it? Wow, what's that?
The puppy's lying in there.
Wow. Wow. You like it?
Love it. Hey, Mom. AKA Benson. Just some flowers to say thank you for everything, and I love you so much. I hope this puppy put a smile on your face. See, I got you this flowers arrangement. And put...
What else does it say?
That's it.
Do you love
Very
it?
nice. Yes, I love it, darling. Love it very much. I love it, love it, love it. Bye, darling. Love your flowers. Love you. Ooh.
Ma, you're being gay. Bye.
I know. I guess sometimes. Bye. All right, darling. Bye. Thanks a lot.
Bye. You know, I'm a little upset because I put on the flower arrangement, I said, my mom has this thing where she's just so in love with Jimmy Kimmel that every time I call her, she completely ignores me for Jimmy Kimmel. And on the thing I wrote, see, I got you this flowers, not Jimmy Kimmel. And the blood clot people, they've never put the end part up on a damn card. That makes me so upset because that was like, you know, like the little cherry on top of the damn thing. Anyways, come up with the road. Just got to the hair shop. We're about to walk in right now. Have this bitch straight as a motherfucker. So stay tuned. like I got jizz on my face.
No, mami.
Anyways,
Cuídese.
mommy says I need a deep conditioner. Lord knows.
Cuídese, pues, y no está
I do.
haciendo...
So, a bitch is finished. Oh my God. What stiffness? It's 3 o'clock now. I have more things to do on the road, like get another Fenty foundation, bitch, because my shit fell and I don't even want to think about it. I almost had a heart attack. So let's head to Sephora right now. Oh, somebody tag Rihanna and tell her I need help. My fucking foundation just fell. Rihanna, somebody tag Riri. Fuck! JCPenney, which has the Sephora. So let's go in and find my Fenty Beauty foundation Fenty section, bitch. Look at all these foundations. Ooh, not to mention her new concealers, which I have to try out. At least one. So I am shade number 380, 255, 300, 310, 345. Where's 380? Cool. Boop. This is me right here. I technically could, depends on how tan I am, I could probably go between these three, but I'm gonna stick with the 380 because it's been good so far. And I also have Trophy Wife, which legit is so bomb. I am in love with Trophy Wife. Ooh, what's this? Bitch. Oh my God, I have to get this one. Oh. Bitch, do you all see this? Oh my God, what is this? Diamond Balm for face and body. Oh my God, I cannot get enough. Oh my God. Ooh, bitch, as Jeffree Star would say, I'm shook. She said depends on the look. I want to go 1 to 2 shades lighter than me, and I want like a more highlighted look because my eyes look fucked up sometimes. So I think I'm gonna try 360 and see what that looks like. I'm about to do my like a face right now. It's 360 and 380 because I don't have any foundation on and I need some right now. 380. Okay. So here we go. My whole face right here is dripping. You guys should have seen it a couple of days ago from being in. You could probably see it on my eyes. Like it's all light right here because I was legit in the sun sunbathing and I had no sunscreen. So I was like, you can see like my tan. All right, so this is before. So let's put some foundation on and see. Do I look better already or what? So I think I applied enough foundation, maybe. it's still so much lighter right here than because I was in the sun. But let's put on some foundation. I mean concealer. I think maybe I used too much, but let's see if this works. And maybe I put on too much. Okay. I legit can't right now. As Jeffree Star would say, blend, blend, blend. You can like totally see it on camera, but in here it looks so different.
One eternity later.
Alright, I need to go get the setting powder. I'm gonna go with something a little bit warmer. Look a little bit better today, like now, right? I don't want to OD. Oh, this is so crooked. I don't want to OD and put like highlighter on and all that because I'm not really going out or anything. I'm probably just gonna go eat, so I don't really want to overdo it. You get me? I have makeup wipes, but I know to take off this mascara. It's gonna be so much shit. Finished with Sephora. I'm in Sunny's right now. I originally wanted aviators like this, but they don't have the super dark one that I like. So I'm just trying on different ones, see what I like. This one's cute, but I feel like it makes my face look like super big. This is the one that I'm so used to though. It's cute. Cuter than I thought. Actually, I want something that you can't see my eyes. So let's try this one. No, definitely not. But I did try these, and I think I'm gonna choose between these ones here. I do like this one. Is this the one? Wait, yes, I do like this one. What do you guys think? Oh my god, my battery's dying. Okay, so I do like this one. Or this one. This one is like flat, like across. Okay. What do you guys think about this one? Or this one. I think this is the three that I was looking at. What do you guys think? I do like I'm kind of liking this one because it's so dark. I can stare at all you bitches and you can't see me. Okay, so I have a dilemma and I just have to choose. So, I don't know. Oh my god, hold on. Phone's ringing. The bestest, the not stressful. Hi. Excuse me? What do you mean why I perm my hair? Because I just wanted, I just couldn't be bothered anymore, and I'm sorry. I'm sorry.